Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremonies for today, Monday, October 17th. Ms. Guerrero.
Thank you. May it please the court, good afternoon. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 35 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every applicant here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. So first off, again, I would like to thank you, the committee, your staff, the attorneys who make up the committee as well, who do this on a pro bono basis. Thank you for your diligence and your professionalism and your care in presenting these candidates. So thank you again. To the candidates, I just want you to know that in anticipation of this motion, we met earlier today as a bench, and the the application is granted. We'll now hear from the Deputy Chief Clerk of the Court, Margaret Soa.
Good morning, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. Candidates, please raise your right hand. I'll recite the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I'll ask you to unmute your mics and respond by saying, "I do." Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law according to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond.
I do.
I do. I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your hands and please remute your microphones.
Thank you, Ms. So. Wow, attorneys, you guys are attorneys now. Congratulations to all of you. I'll ask that my colleagues unmute your mic so that we can give the attorneys a round of applause. Congrats. So it is the custom of the court that one of the justices on the panel give remarks, welcoming remarks to you. Today, that honor falls to my colleague, the Honorable Tanya R. Kennedy. Justice Kennedy.
Thank you, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, new lawyers, and welcome to the New York State Bar. I congratulate you, your family, and loved ones on this outstanding achievement. To paraphrase the prominent African-American civil rights attorney and a former dean of Howard University School of Law, the late Charles Hamilton Houston, a lawyer was a social engineer, an agent for change. Houston believed that a social engineer was a lawyer who used their knowledge of the law to improve conditions of the underprivileged. As a lawyer, you play a vital role in preserving, promoting, and protecting the rule of law. May I suggest that you view your actual or virtual workplaces, even actual or virtual courtrooms, as well as your surrounding communities and pro bono activities as your personal laboratory, where you not only consider innovative solutions to existing problems, but also anticipate future challenges and opportunities in this emerging legal landscape. And that, as a social engineer, you are empowered to transform the lives of the local, state, national, and even global community through the pursuit of justice, whether you join the public or private sector. While you should be proud of what you accomplish, particularly during this pandemic, I encourage you to remain humble and to be grateful. Receiving a law degree is a privilege. As a person with privilege, you have an obligation to give back and to pay it forward, whether that is lending your skills to a bar or community-based organization, your law school, or mentoring the youth and speaking with them about how to become an attorney or other legal professional. Lastly, remember to adhere to high ethical standards. You will be required to observe and to abide by the rules of conduct to fulfill your professional responsibilities and to preserve the dignity of and respect for the legal profession. Your law degree is an asset. Protect it, treasure it, nurture it. Attorneys, this is your charge. Now, go forth and once again, congratulations.
Thank you, Justice Kennedy. Thank you very much for those inspiring words. So that concludes the admission ceremonies for today, October 17th. Thank you all. Take care.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Soa. They will log off and I will stay on with the new attorneys.